Guys, look at what we have under here. Welcome back to the Good View Woodworks channel. My name is Nathan, and this video I'm going to show you how, well, we kind of stumbled across some money. Check it out. Look at this. We have a whole bed full of lumber. And when I get to work, I'm gonna show you exactly what we got, okay? These logs, I'm gonna post a picture up here soon. We got these logs. There's 2 logs that we got for free from Justin's uncle, I think, or, well, I don't know. When we get to work, we'll ask him. Went ahead and had them milled up because it got a lot of burl in it. All right. So when I get to work, we'll take it out piece by piece and see exactly how much we got off the mill. And I want to give a shout out to the guy who owns the mill, and he has in his YouTube channel, which is MSD Making Sawdust. I'll link it down in the description. Dude was awesome, and he kept everything from this log. So tons of pieces, but I'll show you that in just a little bit. All right, we're at work. Let's get this thing unloaded. Looks like we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know how long those are, like 9 foot, 8 foot slabs. We got some burls on them, so we're gonna get those laid out here, and then you'll see all the little other stuff that's gonna go on that pallet over there. All right, ready? You got that?
Oh, I thought you
Yeah, you just yanked it out of my hand.
I'm sorry, I was about to lose it.
But see, they're not too bad. See how they're pretty flat, actually. Got a little bit of a twist, but nothing crazy.
Oh, yeah.
That's what he was talking about. So what do you think so far? Or what's coming out?
It's nice.
Do you see how many other slabs are in there?
I want to see those pieces.
Yeah. This one was kind of like just the cap. This one could be like 2 smaller ones. This is poison ivy right here. I may try to turn some poison ivy on the lathe. What do you think? I don't know. It's weird, but kind of cool at the same time. So the guys at Sawmill literally kept every piece.
Oh, I just touched it.
Dude, it's all over it. You can't not touch it.
You can't not.
That's right. So there's a cap.
No cap.
And then look at all these. These are like coffee table size burls. How many we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got a lot of them. Isn't that pretty? Big old burls. Yeah, it's super nice.
They got tan lines.
They do have tan lines. Some drying in the kiln.
So much poison ivy. That should be fine though now, right?
Huh?
The poison ivy.
Oh yeah, it's all dry, yeah. The oil just from the poison ivy is what gets you.
It's gonna get you.
Here you go, dude. I'll hand them to you. That way we don't have to keep jumping up and down. I couldn't believe how much he got out of those 2 logs, right? Am I right?
You weren't there when you cut it?
No. Nope, I was not there. I just dropped it off. I said, see ya.
This one looks crazy.
Look great. What do you mean?
It's just the line, just not like a normal burl for me.
Yeah.
Almost grabbed your parts.
Yeah, don't do that. Just grab the burl, okay? Grab the regular logs, not the...
Not the Lincoln log?
Right. Yeah, not my Vienna. That's a weird looking V shape cut out of that piece right there.
Oh yeah, that's weird, huh?
What's that from?
On in nature.
I don't think it's nature.
Yeah, nature does weird stuff.
I think it looks like somebody was like, "Hey, what does this burl look like on the inside?" and then chopped it.
What? Who would do that?
I don't know who would do that.
A dummy. Looks like a T-bone.
It does. It does look like a T-bone.
Side note, TJ's new nickname's T-bone.
Oh, okay. Not teabag.
Yeah,
It's not very nice.
Like that.
No, it's not very nice. Man, look at this. This is so much stuff.
Heavy piece.
Oh, geez, sorry. So he literally kept every piece for me because I did ask him. Because obviously, you know, with epoxy, we can put all kinds of stuff in there. Look at that one. That one's really cool. You could cut that one piece off.
This?
Yeah, and then have like a big burl cap, which is nice.
Are you capping?
No cap. No cap.
I still don't know
It means lie.
if you're capping.
Yeah, capping means lie, I think.
I'm too old.
Got that nice poison ivy inclusion.
We don't exclude here, we only include. Oh dang. That though, that'd be a cool little cookie too.
I know.
Flop.
Nah, I'd leave it just like that.
Leave it like that?
Have a poison ivy inclusion in there.
You just like saying inclusion.
I do. There's Don.
John, one pair, John.
All this stuff's super pretty.
All new stuff?
It's that those two logs that were sitting in here.
Oh, you cut them up?
Yeah.
Oh, wow, that's really nice looking. Actually.
Yeah, it really is.
Get some damn cookies.
Yeah.
This got a lot of little.
Yep.
What kind? Do you know what tree it was?
Cherry.
Cherry.
Yep. Black cherry, I think. No, that's the name of the.
Saw something over the weekend that was kind of neat. They took slivers like that with the bark on them,
Yeah.
and they turned them into feet for a table.
Oh, that's cool. How?
Well, they put up a tendon on the top
Mm-hmm.
and mortised it into the bottom of the table.
That's
It was
awesome.
Just, the table it was little. It wasn't like like a side table.
Yeah.
Like if you use one of these blanks, right?
Right.
And mortise feet in the bottom of it with this stuff. Cool. It's nice having that poison ivy on there too.
Yeah, well, I know. They have like poison ivy inclusions in there.
That's right. Yeah. So kid touches it for the first time. It's like, what happened to him? All swollen. And I used to get poison ivy bad when I was a kid.
Well,
Real bad.
the thing about poison ivy is it's just the oil that gets you.
Yeah.
So once it's dry, no big deal.
Wow. Got a lot out of it.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Now, does it have to dry more?
No, it's been kiln dried.
Okay. So the guy cut it and dried it? Or
Yeah, he cut it and dried it. Yep.
man, you could take that, cut it up for a table. That'd be awesome.
I know. You got all these burl caps.
Bless you. Again.
Yeah, another deer butt. Looks like a white-tailed deer butt.
Actually, you make a deer with it. Put two legs together like that. Hey, deer's head special. Now you're just being ridiculous.
All right.
Being stupid.
All right, here you go. We can see everything that we got out of that. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 big burl pieces there. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 8-foot, 9-foot slabs, and we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 burl caps, not including like the little small ones. So, were you surprised how much stuff came off those logs?
Yeah.
Yeah, dude. Nuts.
A lot.
It is a lot. We're probably gonna be selling this stuff. I don't know if we do an auction on Instagram. By the way, go to @Goodview Woodworks on Instagram. Might be auctioning this off. I don't know whether they're doing that on Facebook or Instagram. We haven't figured out yet. But me and Justin will be doing this together, so it might be on his too. We haven't figured that out yet, but it's all kiln dried, ready to go, ready for some epox. Right? Kia, he said. I don't.
Sorrento.
Kia Sorrento, he said. I don't know what that means. Okay. All right, guys. So if you are in the Hampton Roads area, go check this guy out. MSD Making Sawdust. That's his channel. So if you go to YouTube @MSD or @Making Sawdust, go check out his channel. He saws up logs and does it all. Here's his contact information. If you guys see it right there. So if you guys are in the Richmond, Virginia or Hampton Roads, Virginia area, go check out that sawmill, portable sawmill. Guy's awesome. He really hooked us up with some lumber. We got tons. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna keep a running total of how much we make or how much we sell all this stuff for. And so you guys can see what a couple of free logs, what kind of profit we make on it. And just always be ready to keep your eyes peeled for opportunities like this, because they can pop up every once in a while. Once again, guys, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. If you haven't had a chance to check out my other videos, you can do that right here at the end. You can click one of the links, go over to the website, and go get yourself some Goodview Woodworks tape, especially if you're making molds, things like that. You really need some mold release. It's a pretty inexpensive way to have a really a consistent mold release that will release every time. Go grab yourself some tape. All right, guys, thank you for watching. I really appreciate the support. If you want to support us, you can go online and order stuff from my website, goodviewwoodworks.com, or you can reach me at patreon.com/goodviewwoodworks, and you can choose to donate over there to support the channel. I would really appreciate it if you did that. There's 4 tiers, and you get stuff for each tier, things that are different, with tier number 4 being that we can do one-on-one consultation. That's one of the benefits. We can do a Zoom, like a Zoom call. You can ask as many questions as you need to help with your project. I'm willing to do that. So, guys, thank you for watching, and as always, thanks for hanging out with us. All right, guys, I'll catch you on the next one. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording.